Decoding the mysteries of hyphens. Hello language learners. Today, we're diving deep into an often misunderstood punctuation mark, the hyphen. If you've ever been confused about when and how to use it, you're in the right place. So, let's unravel the mysteries together. A hyphen is a short horizontal line, used in English writing. It's not to be confused with the longer dashes like the N dash, or the M dash. Its main role? To join words or parts of words together. Example, mother-in-law, well-being, 22. Hyphens can be a bit tricky, but here are the main scenarios where you'd use them. 1. Compound adjectives. When two or more words come together before a noun and act as a single idea or descriptor, they get hyphenated. Example: 2. A well-known actor. 3. A high-speed train. Note: if these adjectives come after the noun, no hyphen is needed. The actor is well-known. The train is high-speed. 4. Compound numbers. Numbers from 21 to 99, when spelled out, use hyphens. Example: 5, 55, 6, 73, 7. Prefixes and suffixes. Sometimes, certain prefixes and suffixes require hyphens to avoid confusion or misreading. Example: 8. Re-enter. Without the hyphen, it might be confused with renter. 9. Ex-president. 10. Avoiding ambiguity. If not using a hyphen might make your sentence unclear, it's best to use one. Example: 11. He decided to re-sign his contract. Without the hyphen, it might mean he quit. 1. Over-hyphenation. Don't hyphenate compound adjectives after the noun. Mistake. 2. The actor is well known. Correct. 3. The actor is well known. 4. Under hyphenation. Don't forget to hyphenate compound numbers when spelled out. Mistake. 5. I have 55 apples. Correct. 6. I have 55 apples. 7. Confusing with dashes. Remember, hyphens are shorter. Don't use longer dashes, like the N dash or M dash, in places where a hyphen is needed. And there you have it. With these rules in mind, you're now well equipped to use hyphens confidently. Remember, language is a journey, and every step you take, including mastering punctuation like hyphens, brings you closer to fluency. Hope this video was helpful, and happy learning!